Hello, quality professionals. Have you ever been in a meeting with senior level management trying to go through your root cause analysis and half of them are glassed over? How about the time when someone wants you to cut to the chase with not even going through all the detail? Well, today I'll share with you a condensed way to present your root cause corrective actions in a single page format that is easily developed and deployed in your organization. The added benefit? It's easy to understand and follow as well. This simple format contains all of the information for effective RCCA communication. Start with when the problem first occurred. Next, add in the AD progression status. When each stage is completed, D3 through D6, turn the block green. Otherwise, keep it colorless. Containment date is important, so let's add that. Let's also add a place for the D6 date and your internal tracking number. Next, you will need to list something about the nonconformance. Keep your wording very simple and easily understandable. You'll need to add who the affected customer is, internal or external. For clarity, add in the product, type, or processes affected. Now for the description. Be very clean and concise. As much as possible, list what, who, where, when, how, and why. Since this is a visual tool, add a picture or two of the problem. Provide how many parts are affected and how many are produced yearly. In this section, describe the root causes and potential impacts. Bullet point the containment actions. Provide a list of potential or determined root causes. Here you'll add the corrective actions for the root causes previously listed. As shown here, provide guidance as to the risk of this occurrence on areas such as delivery, customer impact, or even financial implications. To help others understand where this happened, include a simple process flow. This could be a few processes or several. Just add enough so the viewer gets an idea of where it happened. You will want to include the team working on the situation and a graphic showing progression of efforts. Lastly, everybody will want to know what actions are being taken, who owns the action, when is it going to get done, and when it actually did get completed. This one-page corrective action format is perfect for presenting a high-level view of your activities. It's easily understood, updated, emailed, and posted for others in your organization to view. Look for other upcoming tools in this series of quality moments.